Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants and another edition of Friday Cocktails.
Yes!
We have Prosecco, which is always indicates good things to follow.
Yes. So what we're doing tonight is we recently made some homemade limoncello, and this has been in the freezer. The recipe is down below. You immediately have to make some tomorrow. It'll change your life. So spritzes of all kind, Aperol spritz are kind of the fun summer drink that everybody likes. But
except for me.
Katie doesn't really, I like Aperol because I'm bitter and salty, and Aperol has that bitter taste to it.
It's not my favorite.
So we thought, you know what? We're gonna make a limoncello spritz. It'll be a little bit sweeter. It's gonna have that lemon pop. And so that's what we're gonna do. I always aim to make you happy. So we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of our limoncello, and it's so syrupy because it's been we just literally store this bottle in the freezer. So we have ready access at all times.
Well, it's meant to be served chilled, so it's appropriate that we
totally
keep it in the freezer.
Now, this is gonna be a little trickier. I'm gonna pour it slowly, I'm sorry, but we want 4 ounces.
Oh, we probably could have just used like a little measuring cup.
I know, but it's the excitement of, or something like that. That's what we're going to run with.
Anticipation.
Yes.
I think that's the word you were looking for.
So 2.
Let's not dump it over.
No, I'm trying not to. Okay. So 4 ounces total in each, and then we're just going to give it, as long as the club soda doesn't explode in my face, we're gonna do 2 ounces of this to top, and then Katie's just gonna give it a little bit of a stir. And our cute little plastic mixing spoon was a recent gift from our dear friends Mike and Lisa. Thank you. And it also matches the limoncello.
It's perfect. I love it. I love it. Yeah. Oops, I think I slopped yours.
That's okay. All right.
Let's
chin
try.
Chin.
Chin chin.
All right. Oh, lemon.
Mm-hmm.
Lemon. What do you think? I mean,
it's very lemony.
Yeah. It's
light.
It's very light. The effervescence I really like it myself. I think this is going to be a lot higher proof than Aperol, because Aperol, I think, comes in at about 30% or 30 ABV, 30 proof, if you will, maybe 40.
But this is 70.
But this is 70. So, you know, while they say Aperol spritzes are kind of great to drink throughout the day, you wouldn't want to drink this one throughout the day unless you're staying in PJs and at your house.
Yeah, but you could always like play with the ratios. If you wanted a little more champagne or a little more club soda to lighten it up, like really lighten it up, then that's up to you. But
I think that this is it's really, really tasty.
And it's pretty. I like a pretty drink.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so good.
Good job.
Yes, nice. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying these. When you're all done for the week, put your feet up, drink your cocktail of choice.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
And
a cocktail on Fridays, if you so choose.
Yes. See ya.